Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your phone or tablet supports USB tethering and mobile data is on, then plug a reliable data cable into the computer. Once connected, allow the system to install drivers. This lets the computer recognize the device as a network adapter. On phones, open Settings and enable USB tethering or personal hotspot in the USB section. If prompted, accept any trust dialogues. After drivers finish installing, the computer should show a new wired network interface. Once the adapter appears, configure the connection. On Windows, open Network Connections, on Mac OS go to Network Preferences, and on Linux use your Network Manager. Start with DHCP so the phone assigns IP and DNS automatically. This is fastest and avoids manual mistakes. If DHCP doesn't work, assign a matching static IP, gateway, and DNS from the phone's tethering info. Make sure VPNs, firewalls, or proxy settings aren't blocking the new interface. Temporarily disable them to test. Then verify connectivity by pinging a site or opening a web page. Final steps: confirm internet access by loading a few web pages or running a quick speed test, and keep an eye on data usage if your plan is limited. When you're done, disable USB tethering on the device before unplugging to avoid errors. One common problem is no connection despite a visible adapter. If that happens, toggle USB tethering off and on, try a different data cable or USB port, and reinstall or update the device drivers. If issues persist, reboot both devices and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.